Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these stroke, fill and dissolve animations for your text in CapCut. So first, just finish your edits and then go to text and add text. Then just write the text that you want. Here you can change the font into the one you want, your favorite font. I'm going to use this bangers effect like this. And then you can just go to animation. Now under the in category, select the stroke fill animation and adjust it to your liking. And click on the out and add the dissolve animation now. Okay, just scroll down and add this dissolve and adjust the durations to your liking. When you're done, just click on the check icon and this will be the result. Okay, I'm going to change the color first to make it visible to you. I'm going to change it into black. Okay, so this is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.